The Okefenokee National Wildlife Refuge, at 400,000 acres, is one of the largest intact freshwater wetlands on the Earth, a crown jewel of America's proud history of conservation.
Stunning.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Ray and I are with a University of Georgia research team that for nearly a decade has called this swamp their workplace.
The Okefenokee National Wildlife Refuge was established in 1937 before a lot of our parks started forming. So this was really groundbreaking stuff that we can save these precious, diverse parts of our country.
This is very, very cool.
It is host to an incredible amount of diversity. We have gopher tortoises, red-cockaded woodpeckers, and indigo snakes, multiple species of pitcher plants and bladderworts, huge hosts of insect diversity.
This entire ecosystem functions like a natural machine that regulates the water security, biodiversity, and climate of the entire American Southeast.
It sequesters huge amounts of carbon, millions of tons of carbon. It's really important for preventing climate change and the increase in global warming. If we were to get rid of it and release that, it would have profound effects on the ecosystem.
We're here to study this swamp's apex predator, the American alligator. They don't just live in this ecosystem, they help build it.
Alligators are considered ecosystem engineers. And what that means is they modify the habitat in some way, shape, or form that benefits other species in the swamp.
Unmanned camera traps set by the University of Georgia team have caught this habitat modification in action.
Those nests they build up are actually important nesting habitats for other species, such as turtles and skinks. And then there are other species still, like bears or raccoons, that'll use that as a food source.
During summer droughts, alligators even carve out life-saving pools.
They are so important. They will create what we call wallows. That wallow can then fill in with rainwater, and it provides really important habitat for other organisms.
As part of this team's ongoing conservation work, our mission today is to collect location and biometric data on the Okefenokee's alligators.
We started the Alligator project in 2017.
What we're looking at is a lot of movement, where they're going, how they're interacting or overlapping with other animals, and the types of habitats that they're using across the swamp.
To gather data on an alligator, first we'll have to find one. That's the easy part. A stable population of as many as 15,000 American alligators inhabit the Okefenokee's winding blackwater channels.
I think there might be one up here by the sign that's swimming out, and he looks a bit smaller. Yeah, this is about the size we want right here.
That's a 30-minute gator.
That's a 30-minute gator.
They're often seen basking on the banks or drifting silently through the tea-colored water.
Oh, look at this. I throw it right out of the truck.
Catching one, now that's another story.
There we go.
Got him.
Unless you're biologist Mark Hogue. For him, this is just another day at the office.
Here comes what these guys call a 30-minute gator, which means it's small in body size, but still important for data. And Mark actually just hooked it and is now reeling it in, so we're hustling to get ready.
A 30-minute gator is one Mark and Kimberly haven't captured before, an animal they can add to their study and process quickly.
Over his mouth, back behind the jowls, got him.
All right, Abby. Now, they tend to twist and roll and then just sort of give up, right?
Yeah, we don't want him.
First thing you do, I see, is taping that mouth.
We use electrical tape because it can come off in water as opposed to something like duct tape or rubber bands that they can't get off themselves.
How cool. I mean, literally, because the animal itself feels cool. Is it because they're cold-blooded?
It is. They can't generate any of their own body heat, so they rely on the sunshine.
Wow.